Welcome to our ultimate showdown between the Tineco Floor 1 and the Bissell Crosswave, two top wet/dry vacuums. We will compare them to see which one delivers the cleanest floors and is truly worth the investment. Starting with design, the Tineco is ultra lightweight at 9.9 pounds and has a sleek, modern profile with an integrated LCD screen. The Bissell is heavier and sturdier, featuring a traditional upright design and standard LED indicator lights. The Tineco excels in dry debris pickup, with auto-adjusting smart suction and a soft microfiber roller, capturing 99% of debris in one pass. The Bissell has fixed maximum suction and a dual-action bristle brush, which is excellent for large kibble but may scatter fine dust. For mopping and stain removal, the Tineco offers fully automatic water control and AI-controlled solution dispensing, clearing thick spills quickly. The Bissell requires manual trigger control, which can lead to overwetting, but uses bristled agitation for scrubbing. In floor drying technology, Tineco provides superior water recovery, extracting over 95% of dirty water, leaving floors dry in under 2 minutes with a streak-free shine. Bissell's traditional drying takes 5 to 10 minutes and can sometimes leave minor streaks. The Tineco's battery offers up to 40 to 75 minutes of runtime, optimized by the iLoop sensor, and displays real-time percentage on the LCD. The Bissell provides about 25 minutes of runtime on its cordless models, with a basic 3-bar LED indicator. Regarding water tank capacity, the Tineco has a superior dual-tank system with a clean water capacity of up to 1.0 liters and voice alerts. The Bissell system has a smaller dirty water tank, often requiring more frequent emptying. For edge and baseboard cleaning, Tineco's dual-sided brush head cleans flush against walls, leaving virtually no uncleaned border. The Bissell's design leaves about a 1-inch uncleared border, often requiring a separate manual wipe down. The Tineco includes advanced smart features like the iLoop Smart Dust Sensor, a full-color LCD screen, and a helpful voice assistant. The Bissell relies on traditional, analog operation with basic mechanical buttons and no app connectivity. Maneuverability is a clear win for Tineco, with smooth drive motorized wheels and a 180-degree lay-flat design. The Bissell requires manual push/pull and cannot lay flat, restricting its ability to clean under furniture. Tineco's self-cleaning cycle is activated by one touch, using hot water and flash dry technology to prevent mildew. Bissell's traditional system requires a push-button flush with cold water and manual drying of the roller, increasing maintenance effort. Daily maintenance is easier with the Tineco. Its tank separates solid debris, and it features a built-in anti-tangle brush comb. The traditional system combines muck and water and requires frequent manual rinsing of parts. In multi-surface performance, the Tineco is best for hard floors, delivering a streak-free shine. The Bissell offers slightly better versatility for homes with a mix of hard floors and low-pile carpets, but can leave damp spots. Price-wise, the Tineco is in the premium tier, ranging from $300 to over $800 for the S-Series, but offers long-term value by replacing multiple cleaning tools. The Bissell is a great mid-range entry point, priced between $150 and $300. The Tineco Floor 1 series is the overall winner. It offers unmatched cleaning, smart tech, and zero-maintenance self-cleaning. If you dislike mopping, this smart home upgrade is the ultimate choice. Check the links below for current Amazon prices.